quick show of hands, how many of you guys are stressed out trying to do this speech for this day? How many of you guys struggle to focus and concentrate while trying to do this speech or other schoolwork throughout the week? Well, well, like many of you guys, I did too. But there's good news because there's a very simple way to improve your concentration and focus, as well as relieve stress to do your schoolwork. And all it takes is exercising. According to Eva Leslie of the Faculty of Health at the University of Wollongong, 40 to 45% of college students exercise on a regular basis, meaning 3 or more times a week. And I believe that this number is so low due to the most common excuse that I hear. I don't have enough time. Well, other good news, it doesn't take that much time. This is a graphic from the CDC stating the recommended amount of exercise throughout the week. So as you can see, there's 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of high intensity aerobic activity, and that's all you really need for the CDC's recommendation. Especially in college, it is very important to establish an exercise routine because according to Phil Spalding at the Georgia Institute of Technology, 81 to 85% of college seniors maintain the same amount of exercise they do in their senior year throughout their entire life. And you can imagine if someone doesn't really exercise a whole lot in their senior year of college, you can kind of extrapolate that and see how that would affect them later on in their life. And I think that a lot of people know the physical benefits of exercise, obviously, but I feel like a lot of people fail to realize how it affects the brain and how it can improve you in your schoolwork. And since 40 to 45% of college students are regularly exercising, I think it is very crucial that college students realize the benefits that it has on your focus, your concentration, as well as the ability it has to relieve your stress, especially when it's a busy week for you. So in this presentation, I'm going to be discussing those benefits as it relates to academic success. So according to Dr. John J. Bradley, who is a professor at Harvard Medical School, he found a straight correlation between cardio exercise and brain performance. He said that cardio remodels the brain to work for the best possible performance, and also explains that exercise benefits the brain in 3 ways in this quote. First, it optimizes your mindset to improve alertness, attention, and motivation. Second, it prepares and encourages nerve cells to bind to one another, which is the cellular basis for logging in information. And third, it spurs the development of new nerve cells from stem cells in the hippocampus. For those of you who don't know, the hippocampus is located in the temporal lobe of your brain. It is responsible for memory and learning. So in summary of his research, exercise benefits your ability to focus and concentrate, and in your ability to retain information as well. This was also proven in a school district just outside Chicago. So in Naperville, Illinois, they implemented a program called Zero Hour, which was an exercise program before school, and they used this program to determine whether or not it would help them in the reading class, as well as other subjects in school. The district did see improvements in their overall wellness as well as their academic progress. Dr. Raddy's proven, his research was also proven in 2 Kansas state agencies where they found that physically fit people improved and performed better on their reading and math assignments. And after the study, Robert Moser, who was an officer at the Kansas Department of Health and Environment, he said this: "We've known for years that increased physical activity and a good diet are important to help children stay focused, stay alert, and learn better." So as you can see through these 2 studies, it is very evident that exercise will benefit your focus, concentration, and help you with your academic success. Next is the stress part of it. So as college students, we're all stressed out all the time. We realize the effects it has on us. And a lot of us just don't realize that exercise will actually help us with our stress and our stress relief. So the Mayo Clinic released an article establishing a lot of the benefits exercise has on your stress relief ability. First, exercise produces endorphins within your body, which enables you to relieve stress easier, as well as it imitates a fight or flight response, which your body will get used to through exercise, and that's the same response when you're stressed out. So your body gets used to that. And also just taking a simple run or a simple exercise or playing sports that you like helps your body or helps you focus just on the simple movements rather than the daily stresses that you have. And as you guys all know, stress builds up constantly throughout the day. So whenever you get the time to just take a chance to forget about the daily stresses and just focus on what you like to do or just exercise, it will benefit you as well. Exercise also improves sleep because oftentimes sleep is interrupted by stress. I don't know about you guys, but I'll be like almost able to sleep, and then I just remember that one test or that one assignment I have the next day, and it just wakes me up and I can't fall asleep for the next 30 minutes, hour, whatever it is. So exercise will help eliminate that and help you sleep better. In this study, Cruz and Landers in 1987 created a meta-analysis um, about people who were in shape and trained through resistance and endurance training and found their response to stress. So in this graph, it shows cortisol levels, which are the levels of stress or it's released when you're stressed out. So a higher cortisol level, meaning you were more stressed out. And as you can see, the individuals who endured endurance training and resistance training had much lower levels of stress than those who were untrained. And in 2013, Van Kim and Nelson did another study with 15,000 students who trained with vigorous, high-intensity training, and they were found to have a lot lower stress levels as well as they reported less of poor mental health. So even with all this concrete evidence stating that exercise benefits us, it's still 40 to 45% of us, like college students, participate in regular physical activity. Now we can all see all these rewards benefit us all. So that's why I'm challenging all of you guys today to complete 75 minutes of high intensity training every week. And I know for me, when I started working out and exercising, it was hard for me to just go on my own because I didn't have the motivation to do it, and I just didn't have enough knowledge to do it. So I'm offering myself as a personal trainer to you all for 2 weeks. My cell phone, email, right there. So contact me, and I can help establish a workout routine for you all. Or if you guys would like to work out or train together or anything like that, I am available for that. Because at the end of the day, we're all college students here. We want to do the best of our abilities in our schoolwork, and I believe that through daily exercise, we're going to be able to do that and maximize our ability to achieve academic success.
All right, right. I've told them this. Exercise. Did not say stressful